And the race is on. Mr. Saber rushing out the favorite Arleggy. And on the outside, Haywire Hennas go down on the inside is Capretiosa. It's now Arleggy followed by Haywire Hennas go down on the inside. Capretiosa racing forward by about 5 lengths. Moving up by the rallies all out. And nearing the last 700, Arleggy by about 2 lengths, followed by Hennas Gold in second. Haywire racing in third from the outside. Capretiosa racing in fourth by about 5 lengths. Panahon na. Racing in fifth by another 6 lengths all out. Then here comes Just Awesome. As they race the last 500, Arleggy the favorite by about 2 lengths. Hennas Gold in second. As they race and a half, Hennas Gold down on the inside, Capretiosa, panahon na Just Awesome, Arleggy, Hennas Gold's running by the roll, but still Arleggy by a neck, Hennas Gold down on the inside, Arleggy, Hennas Gold, and finally the horse of Mr. Hermes Guerra, Arleggy. Second, Hennas Gold, Capretiosa, Just Awesome, panahon na. Haywire for your Super 6.
Okay. Yung naka-reserve.